So now I'm with Emmanuel Katrakis, who is the Regulatory and Public Affairs Director for the Galloo Group. Welcome, Emmanuel.
Thank you very much.
Would you like to start by just telling us the scope of the Galloo Group, please?
Yes, Galloo is a major company active in metal recycling, and obviously ELV is a very big part of our business. We are also recycling plastics from automotive and electronics, and it's thus for us very important to be there and have the opportunity to discuss with the entire ecosystem active in automotive and end-of-life vehicle recycling.
Mm-hmm. And where is Galloo based and what is your reach?
So Galloo is primarily based in Belgium and France. Historically, it's a Belgium company. Today, Galloo has 15 sites in Belgium, 28 sites in France, mostly northern France, and 2 sites in the Netherlands. So over the last few years, Galloo expanding quite a lot, especially in France too. Yeah, indeed.
Okay. So here we are at the International Automotive Recycling Conference. Galloo is a sponsor of the conference. Why was it important for you to be here this year?
Well, many reasons. First, Galloo is a long-standing supporter of ICM and especially the International Automotive Recycling Conference. Second, because there is a lot of things that are changing and happening right now with the revision of the end-of-life vehicle regulation. And obviously because Galloo, being a leader when it comes to ELV recycling, needs to be there to have the chance to discuss with our usual customers, and also to have the opportunity to discuss about the latest investments we have been making to improve even further what we are doing when it comes to automotive recycling.
Okay, perhaps you can tell me a little bit more about that?
So right now we have just completed and launched a brand new line to recycle aluminium from different streams, including from cars. We are right now testing a brand new machine called the laser-induced base sorting, which is installed on that bright new line to be able to sort basically and recycle aluminium by type of alloy. So even to go beyond what we are already doing today, which is sorting and recycling aluminium by type of aluminium cast and wrought. We are also continuing to work obviously on plastic recycling from automotive. We have been doing that for 25 years, and we have also completed an investment into high quality recycled steel with low copper content and other trump elements to be able to produce and provide to the market whenever there is demand those kind of high quality recycled steel for automotive or other applications. And last but not least, Galloo has also completed a joint venture with Stellantis and to basically help Stellantis working on the launch of its individual system called Valorauto Sustenera, and we obviously work with many other partners in that field to be able to provide a one-stop shop, let's put it like that, solution for car recycling in the regions where we are active.
So a lot of investment.
Yes, major investments, multi-million investments completed over the last 3 years.
And you mentioned the ELV regulation. What are the key points that Galloo would like to continue to work on the regulation?
I think Galloo has been ahead of the curve, so we are now waiting for the completion of the process and really want that the targets, especially on recycled contents, are not undermined. They are absolutely crucial. When we speak today about plastic recycling, the situation is very complex, and if there is no minimum demand for recycled content, it will be very difficult to basically continue to scale up our capacities. And this is true for Galloo, but for many other players, and we obviously need to have those strong regulatory signals. It's also true for aluminium and steel, where we hope that in the next few months we are going to have more ambition in terms of using more recycled steel and aluminium back into new cars, and we want to do that together with the car industry obviously and the entire value chain. Okay,
so if the conditions are right, you're confident for the potential for Galloo in the future?
We want the conditions to be right and not to be delayed too much. Market conditions are very difficult today, so it's also a dialogue we have with the EU institution through IARC to make sure that, taking stock of everybody's interest, we manage to go faster in the process of delivering a regulation that we need to create markets which are today suffering from current economic circumstances.
Yeah, understand. Okay, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much, Gilles, and thank you very much to the IARC and ICM for the excellent conference.
Thank you.